Hey everyone, so today we're going to be walking along the Rathtrevor Beach Provincial Park. It's an awesome day today, super sunny, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So come on, let's go, come on. There's a corner store right across the street from the sign when you first pull in. So you just have this little super cute wooden cabin. We are at the start of the walk. There's just a bulletin board with all the information about the beach. There's usually a bunch of rabbits here. I'm just telling you not to feed them. This tells you all about the sand dunes. Yeah. Okay, come on, let's go. There's so many beautiful spots and beaches on the island. Come on, let's go out onto the beach. So the tide is out super far today, and this is just absolutely beautiful. I'm in heaven right now. I love when the tides are out far and I can just take my shoes off and walk in the sand. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it, but the tide is out super far. And this is like a perfect spot to be right now. I keep thinking my kids would have loved this when they were little, to come out here and the tide out this far and put up a little shade tent and sit here and play all day. Man, so beautiful. As you're coming off the beach into the sand, there's a super cool little homemade hut. We're just gonna walk back inland onto the trail. So we're just coming into the trail at the start of it. It's awesome weather today. There's a bunch of these little cabin huts that people make out of the driftwood. They're all pretty cool. This part of the beach is smaller rocks rather than sand. This beach goes all the way down. These are pretty cool. This beach is super kid friendly, and there's a campground actually right behind us with a ton of camp spots. And so, you know, you could just camp there, and then during the day you could bring your kids down to the beach and sit here and play all day. Pretty cool. There's a couple parks for the kids to play in. It's a pretty sweet spot. So in this part of the trail, you're just walking along the ocean to the beach and the ocean. So I just realized that in here there's an apple tree. One apple. Now, I don't know if they're ready, but You want to see? Ooh, they're good. Woo! Oh, the trees are beautiful in here. Look at this. So, this is pretty neat. It's a tree and its roots are all above ground. All the shoreline has eroded. It's pretty neat. There's a bunch of them along here. This one almost looks like a claw. That's pretty neat. Someone has built a little shelter on it. Wow, that's pretty cool. There's a ton of beautiful trees throughout this whole walk along the trail. It's just such a great walk. Beautiful. Come on, let's keep going. Let's finish the walk. So we've come to the end of the trail along the beach, and if you keep going this way, you go into the Rathtrevor campground or into San Periel, where all the beautiful houses are. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's one of my favorite walks in Parksville, and yeah, I hope you enjoy all these beach walk videos down in the island. They're all my favorite walks to do down here, and I hope that you come and visit them and they'll be your favorite walks too. Bye!